This video will show you how to use the market growth map when comparing your business to other businesses in your area. Changes in your business performance are hard to understand without knowing how other businesses are performing nearby. Market growth gives you the context you need to make better business decisions. We'll start by clicking Monitor Your Business, then Compare Your Business. Now we'll click the Compare to Market Growth button. This map shows you how the businesses in the area around your business grew in the past 28 days. It uses data from all business categories and millions of business owners, so you can see if general economic activity is growing or shrinking and compare that to your own business's growth. Understanding your market growth is a great way to monitor your business and helps you understand if the decisions you're making are having an impact or if your business is simply moving in line with the market. To learn more about monitoring your business, check out these other videos. And if you have any questions, please email us at support@womply.com.